Kev G weather overview, trying to get a handle on this late weekend storm, and it's going to bring a decent amount of rain across the tri-state area, a soaking rain. Much of Sunday will be dreary, wet, damp, and raw, but by late afternoon, early evening, things will clear out, and we'll start off with a pretty decent week before more showers move in for Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night, and we're looking at potentially pretty windy weather for the parade on Thanksgiving Day. Now, if you recall last year, Thanksgiving was on November 22nd, and it was one of the coldest Thanksgivings on record, with temperatures barely getting out of the 20s all day long, and quite cold Wednesday night into Thursday of that 2018 year. So it will be seasonably cold this year for a change, and it will feel like it's in the 30s though on Thanksgiving Day. So bundle up. If you're going to the parade, dress warmly. Not as cold as last year, but definitely on the windy side. So this is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. Now, when we take a look at the rain for tomorrow night into Sunday, I think rain gets going after midnight around here, and then the GFS basically slows down the storm just a tad. But by about 1 or 2 o'clock in the afternoon, much of the rain is pulling away. So it's a solid soaking rain for Sunday, particularly for the first part of the day before things dry out. And then we wait for the next storm to come in for Wednesday, and this doesn't look as prolific as it did a couple of days ago. There will be snow in the upper Midwest, and there will be some rain over Michigan and over Indiana and Ohio. But the bulk of the storm goes to the north without much fanfare. But what this is going to do is bring a gusty wind in here. And for Wednesday, it's mild with temperatures up near 60, but then the winds turn around to the northwest, and we could have significant wind here on Thursday with gusts easily approaching 40 miles an hour, perhaps higher, as this system really wraps up as it goes into northern Canada. So that's what we're looking at for the upcoming holiday week. Overall, not bad once we get rid of the rain on Sunday. Monday, Tuesday look quite nice. Wednesday should be mild and breezy with a few showers moving through. I think we'll get less rain on Wednesday than we will for the Saturday night and the Sunday storm. And then windy and chilly for Turkey Day. And if you're going to the parade, make sure to bundle up and take caution that some of those balloons and floats might have a little bit of a problem there with the winds gusting to perhaps 40 miles an hour or higher on Thanksgiving Day.